o from wherever part una dey watch me from. Una good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Na me una sister, una friend Ima Agbonlaho. Na you come bring matter come today. Say me all of us we reason this matter when I want to talk about today. The topic wey I want to talk about today na be not in what time what we go kill anybody for, and not in what time what we go die for. Make I use marriage take start. Now a very sensitive video when I watch for Facebook. The man kill his wife. Now he use the phone take call Ogbaz by himself. The conversation for that video, the thing get me worried. Now you kill somebody don't dey ground wey you don't kill am. You still dey spit on top am. And it was painful. Even when the man dey talk, I even feel for the man too. I don't know wetin happen when make the man kill the woman. But that one not justify the man, not justify anybody in fact to kill anybody. No matter what. Even upon us say he call the oga patapata dem, he still dey spit on top of the woman. The woman wey you don't kill wey dey ground. My people, look the one wey happen for Nigeria now. As I hear for inside matter, say that one loud music. Say the children will be the first one. May I not come lie for here. But not in water to kill anybody for. You the man kill the woman now. Either you go in for it or you kill yourself. The both one now for Nigeria and for the one wey happen for America, for this our obodo yibo this side now, they too take their life too. The children wey they born, who they live on for? Abeg, we don't go talk say we know they know what would they enter violent relationship. Some people go they feel say na love. My husband can beat me, my wife can beat me. One day, he go beat you till you die. Sometimes na mistake. You go see me just give you one slap. Either the woman don't die for ground. Or if not the woman wey they quit they provoke, now you marry to, he run go kitchen, carry knife. He took am for any part of your body. He don't kill you. I beg, before all of us they go into marriage, one of them know the type of woman one are they marry. Fight no they pay. Some people they take this fight of a thing say, na love oh. Me not take fight, man they beat me all the time. Man they slap me all the time. Me not take am and say na love. I never they use until they play with anybody because I don't get body that they beat. Marriage don't be do or that affair. If una dey inside marriage every day, na fight. One must sit down and go check am well. Because one day, either the man kill the woman or the woman kill the man. I dey talk am again. No be do or die affair. Nobody need to die for anybody. If you see say, I dey talk to the men and the women here. If una see say the marriage no work out, it is okay. Una go do am from outside, from distance. The marriage, the fit still work out. As una dey inside every day na problem. One day, one go kill each other. Now the truth, my people. That's me I can't talk about. I beg, even now, una dey boyfriend and girlfriend. Una dey play with fights. The man dey beat una like say tomorrow no day. Make una take a walk. Because one day play go knock you where you not supposed to knock you. You don't die. If you get children for am, now only God no one take care of the children. One a bump for grand. I dey beg my country people, my brothers and sisters. I beg if una dey violent relationship, make una talk about am. If the man go fit change from his character, or the woman go fit change from his character. If the fight dey happen all the time, every day, one day, one of the two will kill themselves. This one women dey provoke, so women dey provoke. I don't know wetin enter the world, More be careful. More will not kill anybody, because if you kill a soul, you are going to go in for it. Better still, before you go kill the person, kill the woman or kill the man, take a walk, make a separation. It's very free to divorce. It's very free if the marriage don't dey work out well. If na everyday fights, before you, the woman, go kill your husband, or before the man go kill his wife. Now be the small matter wey I come today. Since when I watch am since day for yesterday, I say I wan talk about am. The thing dey disturb me. It dey disturb me well well. The person wey you don't even call your love, una don play, una don laugh with each other. The man or the woman don use the hand take cook for you, don feed you. Wetin go come cause the fight or the problem wey you just take kill human being? My people, to kill anyone, e no worth am. If marriage no work, carry your kaya go. Boyfriend and girlfriend, if e no work out, carry your kaya go. Man wey don dey threaten you all the time, say one day I go kill you, one day I go kill you, you go think say na play play. That word no be play play o. One day he go really kill you. Or woman wey dey always dey tell you all the time, say na me na I go kill you, na my hand na you go follow go heaven or fire, na my hand na you wan follow go grave. One day that word will come to pass for a matter, because this word wey dey talk come out, e dey very strong. My people, any man wey don dey warn you say mohian gboa edokpa mohian kwa gboa igewe iminehan we, that man you go look am well well, because one day that word wey don talk come out, you think say we gbeken wa eme e o ri eme pa. You no know the day wey Ahase dey in mouth. He don talk am. People go tell am amen for wetin he talk. One day I go kill you. Yes, so he go really kill you one day if you no run for your life. And the woman wey go tell you say that he go send you jail. One day you go jail, you go prison because of me. I go kill you, I go frustrate you. Yes, sometimes na heart of anger, but all those words, e dey mean na if e provoke. If the provocation don come, you no go know when he go really put you for egbelegan o. You no go know when he go call all the big bros for you or make dem carry you go school where you never go before o. Na the both side na dey talk. Abeg, if relationship no work out, no be do or die affair, my people. If una don call your kaigbes, the family and the people wey know una, when they do the marriage, they don talk put. The thing still dey continue. More than know say God no bless that marriage now. I know say no where trouble no dey, no ask where trouble no dey within man and woman. But if you don't come, if you don't pass, be careful. Say na violence all the time. The man dey beat you, or all the time the woman dey use knife take dey pursue you, dey waka, dey go. One day he go kill you. Either you, the man, kill the woman, or the woman go kill you. Na so e dey be. Sometimes you go say you don't know, say na so the woman be. Wey una start. Na lie, my people. That character you see am for inside am, you see am for inside the woman wey you dey go out with am. The small character you see am for there, but you ignore am. You feel say you go change. And you, the man, you see that character for inside you, the woman too. You see that character for inside the man. You feel say you go change too. E no fit change. How you want to change? Maybe as come marry you for ask you, the woman, your mind come be typewriter. Or before you enter marriage, secret wey you supposed to tell am, you no tell am. When you don't enter marriage, you can't know all your secrets. You, the woman, the man go provoke. That bitch wey dey beat you small one a day, boyfriend and girlfriend. Now there, now you can't beat you pass. Say you be liar. Before na dey enter relationship, more na talk the truth. More na open up. the man believe you, he take am from you. And the woman too. If the woman believe you, he take am from you. This fighting for relationship or for marriage, wo una come kill una self over nothing. Life too dey sweet oh, my people. This na be the small message wey I bring come today. Abeg, make una check am well before una marry. If na the man wey you fit spend your life with, or if na the woman wey you fit spend your life with, if na the man wey don dey take knife take dey pursue you dey waka for streets, or the man wey don dey tell you say one day na me na go kill you, run for that type of man oh. Or if the wife wey you still marry put for house dey tell you say one day you go enter trouble because of me, na me go kill you, na me go send you that ogbelegan wey you never go before, you go look that woman 2 times. Because sometimes for life, if this provocation come, we no dey know wetin we dey do again. Na small thing, small thing na dey cause death. You go just tell me you slap the woman, you don finish. Or you just tell me you shout, the woman fall, he die. Or the man, you go blow am where you not supposed blow am, he die. This husband killing wife, make we stop am. Wife killing their husbands. If marriage no work out, carry your kaya, walk away from the marriage. Nobody go hold you responsible. Nobody go laugh you, because e dey everybody body. Because if you die for that marriage, na rest in peace na they go tell you. If the man die for the woman when he use the money, when he use the money to marry, na rest in peace na they go still tell am. Or if the man go prison because of the woman when he marry, when they follow and celebrate when they marry am, na very bad thing. So make una avoid them. Man killing wife, a wife killing her husband, and a husband killing wife. E don too dey rampant. Violence, e no dey pay anything. If marriage no work out, mo una call am a quit. Nobody should kill anybody. Now I bring come my people. Una thank you very much. People wey dey watch me, people wey dey subscribe to my YouTube channel, and people wey dey like. I love una gedegbe. Thank you very much oh. Mona be careful for the relationship una dey go into. Mona look the person very well. If e not change before una marry her, na so e go still be oh. God no go come from heaven come change the person wey you marry oh. If na the one wey dey beat you when you dey girlfriend, if he still marry you, ugbe ma gbare ni or hin agbo. If na woman wey dey call police for you, if you still marry her, that police will still show for your domot. Or you go still go errand as they tell you because of his sake. So make una look well before una marry the men and our women too. Make all of us, even me when they talk, more look well. The type of men more they follow waka, the type of husband wey marry or put for house. If the issue you don't call the family people, the okai best, make they settle one. The thing still they continue. One day may you not go kill your husband, and one day may the man not still use. I greet all of una. I love una well. Una good night oh. Una bye bye.